Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is another POV video. I haven't done one of these in a while, so it was nice to actually get out and get down to the beach today and do a POV using my X100v and also back with the Acros day-to-day film simulation that I shared yesterday on the channel. If you want to check out this film simulation, just go down in the description below. It has all the recipe down there. Great simulation I found on the Fuji Weekly Community, and I hope you enjoy this video. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hopefully you enjoyed those pictures from the POV today. Great beach to get down to and take a walk on, nice and quiet in the morning, so it's nice to get out there, take a few photos. I think this film simulation works really well on the foggy, kind of dreary day, so I kind of enjoyed taking these pictures. A little bit difficult with a POV when it's such a quiet time of day, but some of these pictures I think turned out pretty good. If you have any questions about Fujifilm simulations, I'd be happy to answer them. Just leave me a comment down below. If we've made it this far and you're still watching and aren't subscribed, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. It'd be great to have you follow along. It's a great community we have on the channel. I appreciate everybody that is subscribed and likes the videos and all that good stuff. So that's it. See you all in the next video. Have a great rest of the weekend, everybody.